Do you ever get tired of wearing a mask while operating a dry blasting cabinet? Or are you worried about inhaling dust? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may want to consider investing in a vapor blasting cabinet. The reason why is because vapor blasting is a safer alternative to sandblasting. Hobbyists, engineers, and mechanics use vapor blasting to finish and clean surfaces. When the abrasive and water make contact with the surface, the water cushions the abrasive, causing it to break less and prevents any dust particles from being airborne. Our vapor blasting machines are not only dust-free, but environmentally friendly, which means the customer can freely breathe when operating our machines. If you have any questions about vapor blasting, don't hesitate to call us. Our number is 828-202-5563. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.